Now we will see how to generate a question paper by choosing each and every question yourself. First we have to go to question paper generator. Then generate new question. The window has opened. In this, it's telling there are around 11 steps in the paper generation. But it's so simple. Let us see. First we have to choose a course, then subject, then we have to tell whether it is an assignment or a question paper. I will go with assignment. And now we have to choose whether we are making an objective file or a descriptive file. And the next step is to put the paper scheme. That is, 1 mark how many questions, 2 mark how many questions, like that. So I have given 1 mark 5 questions, 2 mark 5 questions, 3 mark 5. So altogether we are having 15 questions and total mark comes out to be 30. Once that is final, now I have to start inputting the questions. I am clicking on view chapters. The chapter list is given over here. I can go for a single chapter or a combination of any number of chapters. I am going to make question paper from 2 chapters. So first I am selecting the first chapter. Now select question view. Here basically we have to decide, we have to pick up the questions from the global database that is shared by all the faculties, or otherwise my own question. My own questions means in this, the questions that is uploaded by you only will be there. I am going for the global database. Okay, now the subtopics are listed over here. On right side, the number of questions in each of the topics are given. I have to click on one of the topic. Now it has listed that particular question. It's the first question of that particular topic. If you feel this question is perfectly fine, go for it. I don't want this, better I will go for the next question. Okay, this appears to be fine. Now I have to put the marks for this. I am giving it as 1 mark question. Now select question. Yeah, it has come over here. The panel has changed to, the first question has changed to green. So the first is already there. Now second, it's a very easy question. I'll go with 1 mark. This appears to be slightly higher level. I'll go with 2 mark over here. I don't need this. Now I'll go for a different topic. Going to Coulomb's law. Yeah, this is fine. I'll give 2 marks over here. Select. Let's go on to the next. Yeah, this is 3 mark. I'll give it. Next question. It's worth 2 mark. So now I have selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions I have already selected. Few more I will put in this. I will go with electric field now. Yeah, this I'll give for 3 mark. This again I'll go with 3 marks. Now I'll take from some other topic. It will be applications of Gauss's law. Yeah, I'll keep this. I would prefer to give maybe 1 mark for this. Okay. Now the remaining question I will choose from the next chapter. So I need to change the chapter right now. Choose the view. Okay, we will just see from the first topic. I don't need this. Yeah, this is perfectly fine. I'll give 1 mark. This is worth 3 mark. I'll go with 3 mark. Now you can see 3 mark, only one is left. This is, let it be 2 mark. I'll go with another topic. Yeah, this is 1 mark. And you can see when I'm selecting a question, automatically it's going to the next. This also I don't want. I'll go with this another topic. Yeah, let this be there. I'll go with, as such, by mistake I have typed 1. You can see all the 1 mark questions are over. Let us see what happens. It's telling you have already selected enough 1 mark questions, so it will not allow me to further input 1 mark. Now I have only 2 and 3 left with me. Yeah, let this be of 2 mark. So 2 mark is also over. I'll keep this for 3 mark. So now my selection of questions are over. You can see that all the 15 questions are filled over here. And I have selected it as a assignment, right? I have selected it as an assignment. Here it is. So I have to give the submission date right now over here. Submission date I am choosing as 20th. Yeah. Duration, let it be for 1 hour. I have to add the title. This is the first 2 chapters. I have to add title. If any instructions are to be given to the offline test, then add it, otherwise don't do it. Now we have to go for generating paper. Yeah, here it is telling that the paper is already generated. It will take 2 to 3 minutes. I have to close it. Later we can view it from the view my papers option. It takes 1 or 2 minutes for the paper to come. So it will be listed over here. We'll just see that later. If I'm clicking right now, it will be telling still working because the process is going on. I'll show a previously made paper. See, if I'm clicking, it comes out to be like this. The current paper also will be there after few minutes. See, you can see that the questions, answers and everything has been made over here. Okay, that's how we will generate a question paper.